Friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Sai Hero Service, and one of the first customers of the Hero Extreme 160R, who is Mr. Akshay, is just got his vehicle for the first service. He's completed about 700 kilometers, and there would be the vehicle there, right there. So he's come for the service there, and he'll be checking out what are the costs. We'll be checking out all those things, and I'll be just talking to him right there and trying to find out what it is about that bike itself there. Friends, that is the Hero Extreme 160R, and Mr. Akshay is ready to give his vehicle for service. I'll just pick up to him. I'll just try to find out what are the things that he observed in the vehicle. And that is the service there. Hi Akshay. So, ಹೇಗಿದೆ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನೈಸ್ ಬೈಕ್.
So, what are your thoughts about this Hero Extreme 160R? Right? Mr. Akshay will be sharing his thoughts about his bike. He has just completed about 703 kilometers and he's come for first service there. So, Mr. Akshay, ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? How do you feel about this bike, considering that this is a new offering from Hero and you just bought it and you were the first customer for Sai Hero, that's what it is. So, please give your thoughts about what do you feel about this vehicle?
Total bike around 703 kilometers till now. So it's good in pickup, high in power, actually good in handling. Most importantly, very comfortable in traffic. So it suits for in city ride, also in for highway ride. Actually in city ride I have gone so many times. Also I went once for a long drive, so around 60 to 70 kilometers. So I didn't see any uncomfortability in this bike. So it's good to ride. I will suggest whoever is there to buy this bike.
So Akshay, even I've tested in this vehicle for about 10 kilometers. I took it on the national highway here, right here, and I also rode it through the city roads. So I was taking a pillion rider along with me, so the pickup was very good. And what I liked about the bike was the smoothness of the engine. The engine is very smooth and the pickup is very linear. It's not like immediate pickup, but it's very smooth pickup that you get. And the bike itself is very smooth. So do you agree? Sorry?
Total response is also good.
Throttle response is also good. So that's what you're did you face any problem with the bike? ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ
Actually, while starting in the morning, that actuation cable was like jam. So I informed the same thing to service center here. They told that for all FI engines, when you start at the beginning, in the morning, for some time it will be like in jam condition only. So around for 10 seconds. Then later it will become normal.
So you're giving it for the vehicle service. Is there any issue that you're facing that you want to get it rectified? And do you have any idea about the service cost?
Service code actually five services are free. So additionally they ask for some this coating. So coating is making for reducing the dimness of the body color. So I told that will cost around 150 rupees. So I told like Teflon coating.
Okay. Are you going to put any accessories considering there's no
Actually I
crash guard there or the
Yes.
tire hugger? So are you considering that?
acquired in this showroom. They already told that tire hugger has come. So I will think about this one.
So
Also,
the tire hugger is not there, but he'll be opting for it. That's what he's telling. And there's also the missing crash guard here.
this crash
So
guard.
that's a very important thing.
badly
And,
need this one.
he badly needs it.
The overall bike is good. So very comfortable in city. Sporty business. So very good. I recommend this bike for everyone who are trying to buy a new bike.
Thank you, Akshay, for sharing your thoughts. I think the bike will go for service now. So, friends, this is the service manual or the owner's manual, as you can call it. And let me just try to check out what are the intervals. I think the intervals are mentioned here, right?
Yes, in the first service. So interval is here.
So, the service record sheet would be something like this: 500 to 700 and about 3000 to 3500. So, it would go on like that. So, the first service has come up at about 703 kilometers. I think it's already been entered here.
Return here.
So, there you go. He's doing his first service at about 703 kilometers. So, he's already handed over the service coupon to the personnel there.
Yes.
So he'll just be taking his vehicle right into the service center now.
ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಿಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ,
ಹಾಂ.
ಚೈನ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನರಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್.
ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಆಯಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಜನರಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ?
620 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
620. So friends, basically Hero offers about 4 free services for the Hero Extreme 160R, and this would include free labor charges, checkup, washing and polishing and all that stuff. What we will be charged for would be the engine oil, the spark plug or air filter, oil filter, or more of such things which are required for the bike itself. Talking about Hero, I think it's the largest manufacturer of two-wheelers here in India, and it has about, if I'm not wrong, around 900 Hero showrooms with well-established authorized service centers, which are spread right across India in all the states and cities. And I think there shouldn't be any problem servicing your vehicle if you buy up. I think Hero also has this convenient facilities of pick up and drop, and all these things are offered now. Hero has now tried to up its game, as the service was one point where it was lacking. It's now trying to improve upon all these things. And friends, look at this. I think the bike has been completely serviced. We were not allowed to get into the service bay due to concerns or the policy of the company. So what we could check for was later, when the vehicle was finished with the servicing. They try to take good care of your bikes. I think the service has reasonably or rather improved quite a bit. All in all, Hero Extreme 160R would make a great city bike. It's lightweight and very nimble, so you could use it for your daily commutes. And the service and the maintenance cost, being a Hero product, would be very cheap compared to all other options. Finally, the bill came up to about 545 rupees. That's what it came up to about. And compared to other offerings, I think this would be very cheap to maintain. You are watching Tech Beam Vlogs, trying to check for this first service cost of the Hero Extreme 160R. Thank you for your support. Please continue to like, share and subscribe to my channel.